the profit of the monies advanced to Medcare 24. Should I continue, Council?
Certainly. I'll ask clarificatory questions at the end.
Okay.
So I think continue through your statement.
I have to now turn to deal with remaining topics set out in the notice. The nature of the relationship with Minister Senzo Mchunu. I have no relationship with the minister, whether professional or personal. The nature of relationship with General Feroz Khan. I have no relationship with General Feroz Khan. I know him as we sometimes pray at the same mosque in Houghton when I'm in the Joburg area. The nature and extent of the relationship with Khotle Specialist. This is Brown's wife's company. I normally assist his wife and him through Khotle Specialist. So Brown's wife has a company. She does cleaning, she does gardening services. She sometimes does my gardening services. She does some cleaning for me. She looks after my plant equipment. She cleans the plant equipment. And this has been happening way before this. I've always been assisting Brown and his wife. Regarding the litigation to review and set aside in a tender in the Northwest, they approached me, a few business forums in the Northwest approached Mr. Brown Mkhotsi and his foundation. I think there was a catering tender at the Department of Northwest, and I must put it on record, I'm not a caterer. They approached me and they requested funding to challenge this tender in court. Now, I'm from the Northwest. I was born in Mafikeng, so I'm very close to the people of Northwest. And on many occasions, we have always been marginalized. We've got the highest unemployment rate. We always losing out to jobs like these to people from other provinces. And I don't have an issue with that, but when people from the Northwest are disadvantaged, I take it to my heart. I then agreed to assist Brown with the foundation through these business forums to challenge this in court. And I provided them with some funding, which they then said they will pay back to me. I have often and at no cost helped many individuals and businesses in the Northwest. The nature and extent of my relationship with General Shadrack Sibiya, I have no relationship with this individual. In conclusion, I would like to make the following remarks. I have been branded as an enabler due to my relationship with the minister. There is no factual basis to make such a statement. I confirm that I have never had a personal or professional relationship with the minister. I have never spoken to the minister. In fact, when one considers the fact the current Minister of Police only assumed office on the 3rd of July 2024, and the SEP contract was awarded before the tenure of the erstwhile Minister of Police, Becky Taylor. It is clear that it is impossible and as a fact untrue that I could have any pervasive influence over two different ministers of police. In addition, the SEP's contract was cancelled, leaving me out of pocket of approximately 8.25 million. If I were the enabler with a sustainable investment and an interest in the success, the contract would have not been cancelled. Thank you.
Suleiman Carrim has told the Madlanga Commission that he has no personal or professional relationship with Senzo Mchunu and has also denied having any relationship with Shadrack Sibiya. The statement was made during proceedings of the Commission, where Carrim addressed questions regarding possible associations with senior figures in South Africa's policing leadership. His remarks formed part of testimony being heard by the inquiry as it examines matters brought before it. During his appearance, Carrim stated clearly that he does not have any form of personal relationship with Police Minister Senzo Mchunu. He further indicated that he has not maintained any professional engagement with the minister either. According to Carrim, there has been no interaction between them that could be interpreted as a working relationship or personal acquaintance. Carrim also addressed questions regarding Deputy National Police Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya. In his testimony, he denied having any relationship with Sibiya. He stated that there is no personal or professional connection between the two. The Commission is continuing its hearings as it gathers information and testimony from individuals who may have knowledge relevant to the matters under investigation. Carrim's statements form part of the evidence being presented during these proceedings. During the session, Carrim reiterated that the allegations or suggestions of links between himself and the two senior police officials are, according to him, incorrect. He maintained that he has never had any form of relationship with either Senzo Mchunu or Shadrack Sibiya. The inquiry is being led under the authority of the Madlanga Commission, which has been tasked with examining issues placed before it and hearing testimony from relevant witnesses. Individuals called to testify are expected to present their accounts under oath or affirmation, allowing the Commission to assess the information provided. Carrim's appearance before the Commission follows the process of gathering testimonies from various individuals who may have knowledge or involvement in matters being examined. As with other witnesses, his statements will form part of the broader record of proceedings. At this stage, the Commission has not made any final findings regarding the matters under review. Testimony presented during hearings is subject to examination and consideration by the Commission before any conclusions are reached. Legal experts often note that commissions of inquiry play an important role in establishing facts and clarifying contested claims. The process typically involves hearing multiple accounts and evaluating the credibility and consistency of the information presented. Carrim's denial of any relationship with both the Police Minister and the Deputy National Police Commissioner represents his position as placed on record before the Commission. Such statements may be assessed alongside other testimonies and evidence gathered during the course of the inquiry. As proceedings continue, the Commission is expected to hear further testimony from additional witnesses. The aim is to build a comprehensive understanding of the issues under investigation and determine whether any recommendations or actions may be required. For now, Carrim's testimony stands as part of the ongoing record before the Madlanga Commission. The inquiry will ultimately review all submissions and evidence before reaching its final conclusions.